Alright, let's talk about the TAG Heuer Connected Caliber E5, TAG's latest flex in the smartwatch world. It dropped in late 2025, and let's be real, the price tag, up to $2,000, has a lot of people wondering, is this thing actually worth it? Or is TAG just cashing in on the luxury hype? First up, the design. This isn't just another techie wrist gadget, it's a genuine luxury watch. Grade 2 titanium, ceramic bezels, sapphire crystal. The moment you put it on, it feels elite. You've got that classic Carrera vibe, now in a more manageable 40mm for smaller wrists, or the punchy 45mm for a bigger statement. The style? It's unmatched for a smartwatch, period. But let's talk about the controversial shift. TAG Heuer ditched Google's Wear OS and made their own. It's made for iPhone, which means it pairs beautifully with iOS, and notifications are reliable. But here's the catch. There's no App Store, no Spotify, no WhatsApp, no on-watch maps, and no tap to pay. If you need a wrist wallet, you'll have to look elsewhere. Now fitness. If your thing is golf or running, you'll love it. The golf features are wild. 40,000 courses, 3D layouts, auto-scoring, shot detection, the works. Battery life? You'll get about a day and a half, maybe two, and the charger doubles as a classy bedside clock. But, full honesty, heart rate tracking isn't always spot on, and the GPS can be flaky if you're pushing hard. So, who's this for? If you want your watch to scream luxury first, tech second, or you're a hardcore golfer, it's legit. If you want deep app support or mobile payments, it's not the one. Bottom line, the TAG Heuer Connected E5 is no scam. Just a niche luxury for those who want a statement on their wrist more than a full-blown tech hub.